Feels so good to be back home, back on the motorcycle. Just got off the plane last night and it was pouring rain, or I probably would have jumped on it then. We went to Vegas for a bachelor party, which was a freaking amazing time. First time there, definitely. All right, we're back. What I was trying to say before my camera rudely died on me because I forgot to change the battery was, just got back from Vegas last night, but it was raining. Didn't want to get the bike out in the rain, but it looks like it's going to be good weather for the rest of the week, so we're back on it. Glad to be back on it. Seen so many bikes out there in Vegas. Just jonesing for a ride the whole time. But that's okay. Had plenty of fun otherwise. Did all kinds of cool stuff. Stay tuned for the videos and the footage because I got plenty of it. Maybe I'll throw a couple clips up to get you guys excited for it. But now we're back to the BUC-EE'S updates, so let's get this thing up in the air. We'll see you up there. Alright, squeeze the BUC-EE'S update in there. Now it's off to work. Whatever. The clip's broken anyway. That's going to wrap things up for this week's update. If you stuck around for the whole thing, thank you. I appreciate it. Make sure to keep your eyes peeled for that Vegas footage. If you want to keep going down the YouTube rabbit hole, let's pick some more videos for you right here. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.